the reason why I mention Abna Sewa Ophelia is because most of even your colleagues will be a program, will be any break. But they are in the same gospel music. Can you believe that gospel musician bet me up to Ninia gospel musician Oduro? It will amaze you, it will shock you. That's will be who Yeshua. I don't think will be any will be. Why should a church be envious of another church? As I'm standing here, Apostle Randy Impact and his team are in Togo, in a city, in the little community called Ani in Togo. And they said the Lord told them, go to a place where there is no church. Go to the center of idol worship. Go to the center of idol worship. And so this man of God, with 3 buses, 2 trucks, have flown all the way to Togo to present the gospel. It can never be inconvenience. It can never. We need to take the gospel where it has to go. I'm telling you. I would be sorry them. We need to sorry them. Granenka. Ubeden wako chinkara fufra. Ubia wonene son them. Granenka. And yet and wako you be fufra so mara Christian. Suba phone suba fi kanka the phone yeditina me fear. How are you going to see the glory of God? And I'm going to close with Proverbs 22. And I said that the scripture said, do not remove the old landmarks. There are landmarks. This is not Titia Tempon. Titia Tempon, I know very clearly where that is. Titia Tempon is in Jeremiah chapter 6:16. But this one is Titiashia. Proverbs 22 verse 28. Remove not the ancient landmark which your fathers have set. Titiashia biwa yenyi. Titiashia, a father loves a daughter, a father loves a son. No matter their mistake, as a father, it's your duty to love. No matter how disobedient the child is.